Hello guys, welcome to the course of data analysis with Python. So basically this is the second part of the course. The first part is the Python basics. Okay, so I would suggest you to go for that course first. After that, move over to this course. So this course will basically cover how you can do the data analysis using Python. So first let's move over to what is data analysis. Analysis of data is a process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling your data with the goal of discovering useful information and suggesting conclusions and supporting the decision making. So it's like you can say a process of evaluating your data using analytical and logical reason to examine each component of the data that is provided. So you can say you will be taking data from different sources and doing analysis on that and transforming it into decision making process. Okay, so whatever you want to extract or evaluate from your data, so that is what analysis you're going to do here. Okay, so let's move over to the prerequisites required for this course. So prerequisites for this course is Python programming. As I have already told you, Python programming is the one that you need to know before you proceed over to this course. Okay, so it's really good if you know Python programming, but if you don't know, there's nothing to worry about it. We have a course for that as well. I'll just show you the link. You can see here on your browser, you can go to this easylearning.guru course, which says basic Python programming. Okay, so you can see here, this course is the course that we provide wherein we cover all the basics of the Python from the scratch. So I would suggest you to go for this course first and learn Python well, and after that move over to this data analysis with Python course. Fine. So now let's proceed over to what all we're going to learn in this course. The first thing we'll be covering is the NumPy. Now NumPy is a module in Python that is used for your numeric computation. Next we have the pandas. In pandas we'll be learning about the different how to make different series, data frame, and using it in the analyzation of the data. Then we'll be moving over to the matplotlib. Now matplotlib is again a module or package in your Python wherein you can make number of different visualization patterns. Okay, you can make scatter plot, bar graph, histogram, and all these things using this matplotlib. Okay, next we'll be seeing how to use data from different sources. So your data can be of different sources, right? It can be in the form of some HTML content or in Excel file or many ways. So we'll be seeing in this module how to import and use your data from different sources. Okay, so next we'll be seeing how to apply different operations on your data. So we have different operations like merging, doing concatenation, aggregating, group by, and many different methods. Okay, so all those different methods and operations will be applying over the data and seeing how it works. Okay, next we move over to the data visualization using the Seaborn. Now Seaborn is a package in Python in pandas basically, which actually is used for making good visualization of your data. Okay, so you may ask that in matplotlib also I said the same, and same is the case I'm telling in case of Seaborn also. Matplotlib is for simple purpose. Okay, Seaborn provides you with more good functionalities and features. Fine. So we'll be using the Seaborn module in order to do the data visualization. Then we'll move over to the machine learning. Now machine learning is a special module in the course in wherein we'll be learning the concepts of machine learning from the scratch. Okay, whatever is required in the data analysis part. Then we'll be finally working over with some data sets. We'll be importing a data set from the net, and with that we'll be working over with all the things whatever we have learned. We will be seeing by importing that data set how to do the analysis on that. Okay, so that's all for this introduction part, guys. Thank you.